everybody. I'm Laura Heigl with Century 21 Sheets, and today I'm with Jordan Reichmann
with Hallmark Home Mortgage.
And we are talking about kind of an exciting loan product for a specific group of people.
Definitely.
All right.
We love this loan product. It's for physicians. There are a lot of benefits to physician loans. Kind of the outward appearance, the benefits to the physician's loans are up to $750,000. They can get away with no down payment. There's no mortgage insurance. So as the borrower, those are two pretty awesome things, no money down and lower monthly payment with no mortgage insurance. The other thing though about a physician loan that's really cool is a lot of physicians coming out of school, what do they have a ton of?
Debt,
exactly. And med school isn't cheap.
Med school is a big thing to bite off.
Exactly. So for someone like me who's looking to qualify someone, the borrower has their benefits, which are great, but for someone like me, student loan debt can really kill a deal, especially if you've got a very highly educated person like a physician. So one of the other advantages to these physician loans is there's a much more forgiving formula in terms of how we figure out what student debt to count against them. So it would be lower than a conventional loan where we might have to, count 1% of their loan balance, or in some cases we don't have to count it against them at all. If it's going to be deferred for at least 12 months, we don't have to. We don't have to count
that at all?
No. A physician is a very secured person in terms of their earning power to lend with. So with this program, we have two different physician loans, one with 0% down, one with 5% down. So, but with this program, it's very forgiving on the student loans. We might be able to get them to qualify for more, even though they just have that starting doctor's salary, if you will.
So what do they have to have besides the fact that they are a physician?
But in terms of what they need, we can do future employment, which is cool because someone in their residency, maybe they're earning, call it $40,000 a year, but they're about to finish their residency, and if they've got a signed contract that clearly outlines how much they're going to get paid, we can use that signed contract income. So maybe that signed contract is for $100,000, but it's not going to start for a couple months. We can actually qualify them based on that $100,000 income versus the $40,000 income. I
think that's unusual for a typical loan.
It is.
Is that right?
Yes.
Most of the time, don't you have to have some employment history, Jordan?
Yes,
okay,
yes.
So that's special, guys, about a physician loan.
That's a very good point. And for the employment history, because we run into this with other college students too, but for the employment history, we use their residency, we use their, we might ask for transcripts from med school, etc.
So if I were a young physician thinking about now buying that bigger home because I'm done, I know where I'm going to be working, I may have a family, I need more space than where I was living in my residency, how would I get a hold of you?
Give me a call, 317-345-1717. That's my cell phone. You can call me or text me anytime. Or you can shoot me an email, jordan@mortgageswithjordan.com. And I'll be sure to get back to you, and we'll figure out what we can do. And
all right, after you've called Jordan to get your money, because you have to have money to buy a house, give me a call, and I'll help you find one. I am Laura Heigl with Century 21 Sheets, your key to the finest homes. Thanks for watching Jordan and I today, guys.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.